Hello everyone, I'm Jeff Zimmerman, CEO of Fortin Home. I bought my first rental in 2008, before I knew where it would lead. Danielle and I spent years building, renovating, managing properties with one focus: quality. In 2017, we made it official. That's when Fortin Home was born, built on integrity, quality, and long-term relationships. From day one, we surrounded ourselves with people we like working with, professionals who care about the product and the mission. Quality isn't a goal for us, it's our foundation. Today, Fortin Home has grown into a vertically integrated real estate platform. 5 core divisions working together from concept to completion. These are the 5 pillars of Fortin Home. Fortin Home Capital, raising and managing investment funds that power our projects. Fortin Home Developments, transforming buildings and land into communities. Fort Homes, our off-site construction company building precision homes and modules in Grand Junction, Colorado. Fortin Home Realty, identifying the best properties to buy and leading the sales process when it's time. Fort Asset Management, protecting and growing the value of every property and investor relationship along the way. Together, these create a closed-loop system that gives us full control over cost, quality, and experience. What we promise is what we deliver. We see a major opportunity ahead. Demand for housing keeps climbing, but most builders are still using outdated systems. That means high costs, long timelines, and fewer attainable homes. We believe the future is factory precision, homes built indoors, faster, stronger, and more consistent. We're building a team in our factory to take our products to the next level and deliver quality homes people love and want to call home. Our vision is bold: to provide attainable, high-quality housing for 1 million families in our lifetime. Everyone deserves a home built with pride, and investors deserve a system that performs at the same precision. Fortin Home is built on people, purpose, and product. We lead with quality, we operate with integrity, and we work with partners who share our values, because great companies are built with great people. I'm Jeff Zimmerman, CEO of Fortin Home, and we're building the future of housing, one community at a time.